Position size is one of the most important things you have to master in order to become a profitable trader. This is the key for your personal and financial growth. All right, now grab a paper to take some notes, and let's get started. Today I will talk about position sizing in trading and why it is one of the most important concepts in risk management. Many beginner traders focus mainly on finding the perfect entry point. They look for indicators, patterns, or strategies that tell them when to buy or sell. However, professional traders understand that long-term success in trading is mostly determined by how well you manage risk. Position sizing helps traders decide how large a trade should be while keeping the potential loss under control. In this presentation, I will explain what position sizing is, why it is important, and how traders calculate it. Many traders lose money not because their strategy is bad, but because they take positions that are too large. Without proper risk management, even a single losing trade can cause a significant loss in the trading account. This often leads to emotional decision-making. Traders may try to recover losses quickly by taking even bigger positions. As a result, the account can be destroyed after only a few trades. This is why professional traders focus strongly on controlling risk before thinking about profit. Position sizing is the process of determining how large a trading position should be. Instead of randomly choosing the number of shares or contracts, traders calculate their position size based on the risk they are willing to take. The goal is to make sure that every trade risks only a small and controlled portion of the trading account. This allows traders to survive losing streaks and stay consistent over time. The size of a trading position mainly depends on two important factors. The first factor is risk per trade. This is the maximum amount of money a trader is willing to lose if the trade does not work. The second factor is the stop-loss distance, which is the distance between the entry price and the stop-loss level. If the stop-loss is further away, the position size must be smaller in order to keep the risk constant. These two factors together determine how large the trade should be. Professional traders usually risk only a very small percentage of their trading account per trade. A common rule is between 0.5% and 2% of the total account balance. For example, if a trader has an account with $10,000 and risks 1% per trade, the maximum loss would be $100. By keeping the risk small, traders can handle multiple losing trades without destroying their account. To calculate the correct position size, traders use a simple formula. The position size is calculated by dividing the risk per trade by the stop-loss distance. This formula ensures that the potential loss remains the same for every trade. Even if the stop-loss changes from one trade to another, the overall risk stays consistent. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a trader has an account of $10,000 and decides to risk 1% per trade. This means the maximum loss per trade is $100. If the stop-loss is $5 away from the entry price, we divide the risk amount by the stop-loss distance. 100 divided by 5 equals 20. So the trader should only buy 20 shares in order to keep the risk at $100. Position sizing is essential because it protects the trading account from large losses. It also helps traders avoid emotional decisions, since every trade has a predefined risk. Over time, this creates consistency and discipline. For this reason, position sizing is considered one of the most important principles used by professional traders. To summarize, successful trading is not only about finding the perfect entry point. It is mainly about managing risk effectively. By risking only a small percentage of the account and calculating the correct position size, traders can protect their capital and trade more consistently. Position sizing is therefore a key component of professional trading. If you enjoyed this video and want to support our content, please leave a like and subscribe.
See you next time.